Hello and welcome back. My name is Dave and this is Fuzzee Tutorials. So today we're doing a new segment called DQT, DaVinci Quick Tips. So today I'm going to show you how to do speed ramping. Let's get started. All right, thanks for sticking with me. This is a pretty quick and easy thing to do. I'm going to show you a couple different ways to do it and a couple things you can do with speed ramping. So I've got a little piece of video here. It's actually a short video that I copied 4 times and turned into a compound clip just for the purposes of this tutorial. So let's just play it once about halfway through. So you can see what the video is and the speed it's playing at. Okay, now there's a couple different ways that you can access your controls to do speed ramping. So one way is you can right click on your video clip and then you click on retime controls, and then we pick our section that we want to increase our speed on. So let's say we go about there, and you've got this little arrowhead down here at the bottom, so we just click on that and we go add speed point, and then we move our playhead down to another spot, let's say right about there. And we do the same thing, we add speed point. And now we just take this little handle right here and we drag it off to the left, and you'll notice down here that it's showing us our current acceleration rate in percentage. So let's say we move it up to about 500% right there. And then we'll play it back. And it's that easy. Now you can also use it the other way. And I want to show you another way of accessing your retime controls. So you can just use Command R if you're on a Mac and Control R if you're on a Windows machine. Sorry, I don't know the shortcuts for Linux. So we just Command R, brings back our controls. So we can go here and we can add another speed point. And we can go up here and we can add another one. And now we can drag it the other way and we can slow it down. So slow it down to say about 25%. And now we can play that back. And it's a nice smooth control. It's that easy, folks. I hope you enjoyed our new segment of DQT, DaVinci Quick Tips. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to hit that thumbs up. If you want to see more content, make sure to hit subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you come back soon. Bye for now.